Musa from Nigeria earlier called, and he's worried about Muslim women who wear nail polish, decorate their nails with nail polish and so on. Will that be an obstacle which will stop them from making wudu? Yes, of course. Because in order to perform wudu properly, all the body parts which have been mentioned either in the Quran and the ayah of wudu or by the Prophet ﷺ must be washed, and the water has to come in direct contact with that. وجوهكم وأيديكم. Al-aydi includes everything, the hands, from the fingers to the elbow, and that includes the nails as well. So if there is a paint, if somebody is a painter or a mechanic, there is wax, or there is some paint, and he made wudu, those spots of the paint, they stop the water from coming in direct contact with the epiderm, with the skin, then the wudu is invalid. On any part of the parts of the body which should be washed during wudu or ghusl. So the person must remove them before making wudu. And I cannot imagine a woman who would keep wearing the nail polish only for one prayer, so that the next time that she has to make wudu, she will have to remove them and wear them again. And again, even though I dislike to say that, but wearing nail polish for a woman who knows the ahkam and the rules of the sharia pertaining the tahara and the salah indicates that she is only in her menses, because she's not praying, so she doesn't worry about that. Because if a woman is not in her menses and she's wearing nail polish all the time, that means many prayers of hers is invalid. And if it is invalid, then it's not accepted. You cannot say Allah knows what's in my heart, blah blah blah. All of that doesn't count. The prerequisites of the prayer is the tahara and facing the qibla. The tahara comprises three matters: the purity of the body, the purity of the clothes, the purity of the spot in which you're offering the prayer. So if any of that is not fulfilled, then the prayer is invalid.